What's up, gang? Welcome to another GNCRC video. All right, today, guys, we are going to talk about the Jeep JLU. Before the video start, I want to ask you guys to go ahead and hit that sub button along with the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos on this channel. This was a request from a sub. He wanted me to go over what I've done to this one. He's really concerned with the wheels, which we'll just kind of start from the outside first. So I 3D printed roof rack, and you can tell after a couple tumbles, it's broken. I need to print it with a different material, but it's all good. We did the sliders, which you'll notice the fronts are broken on those as well. This bumper is by Injora. Guess you guys can see that logo. A few stickers here and there. We got a mofo and trill. So this is by MT Hobbies. He is on Facebook. They have several different ones. You have your standard ones, which are not as wide. And then you got the ones that are in the middle, which are these. And then he has some that are deeper than this. You can get different color bead locks as well. I had some black ones, but he has different color bead locks. So he has a whole bunch of different colors in these wheels and all. So you can kind of come up with the combination that you want. These are Patagonias. These are the first version of the Patagonias. This is the original compound. I just took this off of my Warthog, and I put this link on here for my Warthog, and this is by Trill. All my axles are steel stock. All of my links are steel stock. This is not 4-link. Shafts are steel stock plastic. The shocks, I'm pretty sure, are Trill. I'm almost sure that's what I see right there, but I can't really tell. Trill shocks. The best servo mount ever by Mofo. I don't know if you guys can see that. Along with an Emax, and this is just an old analog. This is my OG, so this is my first system that I had. And this is the TU along with the Komodo, which is the full-size Komodo. And we are running the Noble NB4 on this one. We're probably gonna eventually change this to a micro receiver. I'm gonna go ahead at some point, change out these sliders. Also, change these links out. I have the Injora ones, I just hadn't put them on. I think this particular one, we're gonna keep the same axles. Eventually, I may go with the micro in here because that'll get my center of gravity down low. We may change the chassis. I had a couple, but I ended up giving them away. I just don't know what I want to change it to. I've been looking at the hard part. Comment below, guys. Let me know which chassis would you go with. I've been looking at the hard part. I'm not sure which way I want to go with it. Well, let me know which way you guys would go. I hope that helps and give you everything that you wanted to know about this particular one. Like I say, this is the one I call my OG. This is the one that started it all. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC.